Everyone's obsessed with AI coding tools that generate apps from prompts. Here's the catch. Those vibe coding tools create beautiful demos that completely fall apart when you try to use them with real users, real data, and real business operations. The problem? They generate raw code without the infrastructure your business actually needs. User management, data security, scalable backend. You get a pretty prototype that can't handle actual business workflows. Softr's AI CoBuilder takes a different approach. It's a full-stack AI app builder that doesn't just generate code, it builds complete business applications with enterprise-grade databases, user roles, and workflows built right in. So what you create actually works in production from day one. Today, I'm showing you how Softr's AI CoBuilder builds real business software that scales using their built-in Softr database system that handles everything automatically. Before we dive into all of this, for those of you who are just getting started, here's a quick breakdown of what Softr is and why you should care. Softr is a no-code full-stack AI app builder specifically focused on business applications, client portals, internal tools, project management systems, operating systems for your business. And what makes it different is that it's not just an app builder. Softr includes its own database, automation system, and user management, all built into one platform. So instead of stitching together tools like external databases or automation tools, you can run everything in one place. This is the AI platform for building real business software that actually works, complete with a built-in scalable database, advanced workflow automation, roles, and permissions, and enterprise-grade security that works by default, not by chance. But it got even better now. You don't even have to build it all yourself anymore. Now, thanks to the AI CoBuilder, you simply tell Softr what you want to build, as if you're talking to an expert programmer. And the AI doesn't just design the interface. It sets up the structure for your database, user roles, and core logic automatically. And right now, the AI CoBuilder builds everything using Softr's built-in database system by default. So everything stays integrated within one platform. The process is super smooth. Once you finish signing up and you're on the homepage, you just need to go straight to option 3, AI generation, which is the AI CoBuilder. Clicking there will take you to a brand new section where the magic happens. At this stage, it is crucial to have a crystal clear idea of what you're looking for. If you're feeling stuck, don't worry. You can always use ChatGPT or Gemini to help you draft a solid, detailed prompt. In my case, I've already done my homework and I have a well-structured prompt ready to paste right here. It goes like this. Build a client portal for a marketing agency. I need 2 roles, admin, agency team, and client. Clients should be able to log in to see their active projects, download invoices, and view a list of pending tasks. Admins should be able to see all clients, update project statuses, and upload new files. All right, once we paste that in, we hit enter and it'll start working. But check this out, and this is the part I love. Softr doesn't just guess. Instead, the app starts asking you these super smart questions to fine-tune the details of your app. For example, here it asks, how should clients access the portal? This is key for security, so I'll put clients can only see their own data. Next, it asks how I want to manage invoices. I'm going to tell it to generate invoices as records with amount, due date, and status, plus an optional PDF. Then choose authentication settings and your app's main navigation layout. With all those answers ready, the platform moves us to the customization tab, where we can pick colors and polish the aesthetics even more. And that's it. We hit the Create Application button and they handle absolutely all the heavy lifting, building the database using Softr's built-in system, the roles, and the screens. And the important part is, you can actually see and control all of this. The database isn't just a black box. You can open it, edit it, understand exactly how your app is structured. Now, as you'd expect, this deep build process takes a couple of minutes. So, just like on a cooking show, I already have an exact version prepared that I generated a while ago, so we can keep going and you can see how it works in real life. And voila, here's the result. As you can see, the app is ready for us to review together. A cool detail is that as soon as the AI finishes building, Softr notifies you right away so you can jump in and validate everything. We just have to click where it says preview, and this is where the real fun begins, seeing our idea come to life. In this example, what we built isn't just a simple app, it's a complete operating system for a service agency. The prompt I used to get this was pretty ambitious. Let me read it to you. Build a full operating system for a service agency, include a public CRM to capture leads, an onboarding portal for new clients, and a project management dashboard. Clients log in to view their contracts, billing statuses, and submit support requests. Internal team members have a directory and can update lead statuses from new to closed. Remember that interview the AI gave us at the beginning? Well, here are the results. The app is fully functional and practical. On the main page, we have a dashboard that gives us a visual of everything happening in the business. And on top of that, you can automate workflows like sending updates, tracking changes, or triggering actions, all directly inside Softr. From here, we can manage new users and, most importantly, navigate between different roles. Check this out. I'm going to switch to the client perspective, and this is what they see when they log in. It's a clean, professional experience where they can keep track of their projects, see costs transparently, and access the support section without any hassle. The AI configured all of this, understanding that the client shouldn't have access to my agency's internal finances, only their own. That level of enterprise-grade security works by default, not by chance. And that's what makes Softr so powerful. If we go into the Projects tab now, you'll see the information is perfectly organized. Not only can we see the list, but we have a functional Create New Project button. Click it, a form opens with fields for name, status, priority, start and end dates, and even a detailed description. This makes life so much easier for any project manager because all this info syncs automatically with our Softr database. But wait, there's more. A modern business app has to look good everywhere. Softr lets us toggle between the PC, tablet, and phone versions with a single click. Every design is independent and responsive, meaning if your client is at the airport and needs to check a status from their phone, the app will look perfect without us having to move a single pixel of code to make it happen. So if you're wondering, what if I want to change something? That's where the edit section comes in. This is where Softr really stands out. Instead of dealing with complex code, you just open the visual editor, click on any section, and start editing. You can drag and drop elements to rearrange the layout, click on a block to change its settings, or update components in just a few clicks. Want to change colors or styling? Just click and customize. Super easy. You can move buttons, adjust designs, or add new features in seconds. No code, no confusion. Just simple editing that anyone on your team can use. And here's where Softr gets even more powerful. The vibe coding block. This feature lets you create completely custom interfaces that go beyond standard blocks. Simply describe what you want in plain English, like build a custom dashboard or create a booking calendar, and the AI generates it instantly. You can connect it to live data, add user actions like create, edit, and delete, and even control who sees what with advanced permissions. The best part? Every iteration is saved automatically, so you can experiment freely and always roll back to previous versions. It's perfect for building custom dashboards, progress trackers, or any unique interface your business needs that standard blocks can't really handle. So, is this better than vibe coding tools? For quick prototypes? Vibe coding is impressive, but for real business applications that need to work reliably with actual users and data, no-code full-stack AI app builders like Softr are in a completely different league. Here's where Softr really stands out, not just in building the app, but in maintaining it. Instead of dealing with generated code that breaks, debugging mysterious errors, or relying on developers for every small change, everything is visual and easy to update. And that's the biggest advantage. You don't need a developer to keep this running. Your team can manage it, update it, and scale it, all without touching code. That is the true essence of this no-code full-stack AI app builders more than anything else. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.